PrometAI V5.1 is the latest AI software to hit the market, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone curious about AI, this version of PrometAI brings some serious upgrades that you don't want to miss. Stick around until the end, because I've got some insights that could change the way you use AI forever. First off, let's talk about the key updates that PrometAI V5.1 brings to the table. The software has been completely revamped with a focus on increasing productivity and improving user experience. One of the standout features is its advanced natural language processing capabilities, which allow it to handle more complex tasks with ease, from generating content to analyzing data. This version has really taken AI's conversational abilities to the next level, which is huge if you're working in any form of content creation or digital marketing. Next, the integration with third-party tools is significantly better. PrometAI V5.1 now seamlessly connects with over 50 popular platforms like Google Analytics, Zapier, and even social media tools. This means you can automate your workflows and sync data from various sources without any hassle, saving you tons of time and making your processes more efficient. Whether you're managing a team or handling personal projects, this feature is a game changer for automation. Now, if you're wondering about the pricing model, PrometAI V5.1 offers a subscription-based model, but here's the kicker: you can actually try it completely free. That's right, you can test it out with no commitment and see if it fits your needs. And if you're really serious about diving deep into what PrometAI can do for you, the paid version offers full access to all features, which is a great value considering the power packed into this software. Another thing that sets PrometAI apart is its user-friendly interface. The team behind the software has focused a lot on making sure it's accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Everything is laid out clearly, with a streamlined dashboard that makes it easy to find what you're looking for. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting out with AI, you'll find it intuitive to navigate. The speed improvements in PrometAI V5.1 are also notable. It processes data faster than ever before, and the AI-driven insights are generated almost instantly, which is perfect for anyone looking to make quick data-backed decisions in real time. If you're running a business or marketing campaigns, this can be an absolute game changer. Let's talk about the customization options. PrometAI V5.1 offers a wide range of templates and customization features, allowing you to tailor the AI's output to fit your unique needs. Whether it's customizing content, reports, or even the way it communicates, this software puts you in control and allows for a personalized experience. This level of customization is something that a lot of AI tools don't provide, and it really sets PrometAI apart. Lastly, if you're concerned about security and data privacy, PrometAI V5.1 has you covered. The software uses end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your information is protected at all times. With all the sensitive data we manage today, it's reassuring to know that PrometAI takes security seriously. So, if you're curious about PrometAI V5.1 and wondering whether it's right for you, I recommend checking it out with the free trial linked below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've personally found this one to be one of the most powerful and versatile platforms out there. You can explore the features and decide if it's the right fit for your business or personal needs. And before you go, be sure to check out my list of recommended AI tools in the description below. I've tested them all, and I'm confident they'll bring value to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.